is June.
This is Kim.
And we are Happy Musicians! So we are back again, and I don't know if the vlog's gonna be up first or this is gonna be up first, but I have a haircut. And today we are so summery.
Summer is coming.
Today's video is gonna be very special because
We are trying to do something by ourselves.
so it's kind of like the DIY, do-it-yourself. We watched several videos on YouTube, and unfortunately it's in Korean, and with our super limited knowledge of Korean, we are trying to figure out how to make these, the ring and the bracelet. And there are so many videos on YouTube, so you can check it out. But today we are going to do it our way. Yes. So let's go. What you need to do these flower rings and bracelet is super simple. So first thing you need is the beads. We have two sizes of the beads here. We use the 4mm one for the bracelet and the 3mm for the ring. The next thing we need are the strings. In this video, we are using two types of the strings. We'll use the stretchy one for the bracelet and the non-stretchy one for the ring. You will need a tape as well to tape the end of the thread. And lastly, you also need a super glue to finish up our products. Okay, so we will start with the bracelet. First, we need to tape the stretchy string to the table and leave the length of the string for around 1 foot. We recommend you to keep it rather not longer than that because it can make your life difficult if it's too long. Now, let's choose the color for our bracelet. We'll need to pick the color for the stem, the petals, and the pollen. For each set, you will need 6 beads for the stems, another 6 beads for the petals, and 1 bead for the pollen. We will start with putting 6 green beads for our stem. When you're done, you can push it to the end like this. Then, followed by 4 red ones. And, of course, 1 pollen. And then, we will make a flower by putting the end of the string into the first of the red one, as you can see here. And noted that the direction has to be upward, as you did here. And then you will have half of the flower. Next, we will use the remaining 2 red beads we have to complete the rest of the flower. So we put the last 2 beads in the string like this. Then we have to put the end of the thread through the red one next to the pollen, as you can see here. And then you just have to pull the string like this. And now you will have the full flower here. And you're almost done. You just have to repeat these steps for 4 more times. After you have done repeating those steps, what you need to do is take out the tape, and we will be tying both ends together like this. In this case, we will tie the knot 2 times for security. And now we are at our last step. Our last step is to put on the super glue to secure the knot. And this is how we put on the super glue here on the knot. And then you have to wait for 10 seconds. Then you will have to cut out the remaining thread for both ends like this. And you're done! You have your flower bracelet ready to go.
Let's move on to the ring. Here, June is repeating the steps that I did on the bracelet. This one we use the non-stretchy string and the length is around 15 centimeters long. For the flower ring, we will start directly with the flower. Same here, you need to decide which color that you want to use for the petals and pollen. In this video, we will use the white for the petals and the yellow for the pollen. We are using the same method we already showed you earlier how we make the flower on the bracelet. So for petals first, and followed by a pollen. Then put the end of the thread through the first bead like we did before. Followed by the remaining two. And again, put the end of the string through here and we have a flower. Next, we will make the ring part. And again, pick any color that you like. For this, we will use the green one to kind of make the transition between the flower and the ring. Here, we will use the pink and white beads in alternation. June is making this ring for her choppy ring finger. So she used around 20 beads in total for the ring part. As you can see here, June is now working on the first half of the length that she wants. Okay, now she is done with the first half. Then she will repeat the same thing on the other side. When this is done, we will tie both ends together like the bracelet. But this time, we will tie them 3 times. And then we'll put the end of the threads back into the beaded ring, as June did here. And then you just have to cut out the ends. Put on the super glue to secure it. And we have it!
We hope you guys enjoy our Happy Factory DIY video today.
And see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.